Video 6. Before you start, can you solve this equation in 10 seconds? 1 plus 7 plus 17 squared equals what? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, I don't have enough patience. Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to our 52-week program. You may be gobsmacked and think it is impossible to solve it within 10 seconds. But I can assure you, stay with me, watch the full video, and you will be surprised to see that you can solve this equation in 10 seconds. Today, I am going to share some tips on how we can square a number in seconds. Tip 1. Square of a one-digit number. We can simply use a timetable to square a number. For example, 2 squared is 2 times 2, or 4. 3 squared is 3 times 3, or 9. We can even do squares of 10, 11, or 12 by using a timetable. Like 12 squared is 12 times 12, or 144. However, if the number increases, it is challenging to use the timetable. For example, 13 squared. Tips 2. Square of a two-digit number. We can solve 13 squared very fast. Step 1. We square the first number of tens and take the two-digit number. 1 squared is 1. So we take 0, 1. Next, we square the second number and take the two-digit number. 3 squared is 9. So we take 09 and put it in front of 01. So we get a number 0109. Since 0 at the beginning has no value, we cross it out. Step 2. Multiply all numbers in 13 squared. 1 times 3 times 2 equals 6. Put 6 in the second line after the block in unit position. Add them all, and 169 is the answer. 109 plus 60 is 169. Why don't you check with a calculator if you think I'm wrong? Can we use the same trick for a higher number? The answer is, unfortunately, yes. For example, 84 squared. 8 squared is 64. 4 squared is 16. So the number we get is 6416. Now, 8 times 4 times 2 is 64. Put 64 in the second line and add them. 6416 plus 640 is 7056. And once again, I said use a calculator. Now, can you solve 1 plus 7 plus 17 squared in 10 seconds? Let's try. According to BODMAS, we do the square first. 1 squared is 01. 7 squared is 49. So the first line of number is 0149. 1 times 7 times 2 is 14. Adding them is 289. So the final answer is 7 plus 1 plus 289, or 297. Is there any alternative way? Yes, there is an alternative way to solve squares. Tips 3. Square of a two-digit number with units, tens, and hundreds. Let's try the square of 76. Step 1. First, we make a space for units 10 and hundreds. Now, 6 squared is 36. Remember, units and tens can only take one digit. So we keep 6 in the unit and put 3 in the tens position. Next, we multiply 7 times 6 times 2 equals 84 and put it in the tens position. Carry forward 3 plus 84 is 87. We keep 7 here and put 8 in the hundredths position. Finally, we put 7 squared or 49 in the hundredths position. We have carried forward 8, bringing the total to 57. So the answer is 5,776. Let's try with another number, 31 squared. Let's make 3 positions. 3 squared is 9. 9 goes in the first position. 1 squared is 1. 1 unfortunately goes in the last position. 3 times 1 times 2 is 6. 6 goes in the middle position. So 961 is our answer. Since there is no carry forward in this case. Tip 4. When the number is just over 50. And I'm talking about 51 or 53, not 67 or 98 or 1 million. In this trick, you can literally find the square of a two-digit number in 5 seconds. Let's find 53 squared. Step 1. 53 is 3 more than 50. Add 5 squared and 3, which is 28. We put 2 more digits in front of 28. Step 2. Just square 3, which is 09, and put it in front of 28. And that's your answer, 2,809. Let's check with the calculator. Isn't it amazing? Genius, isn't it? Year 11 plus math genius. Can you work out 57 squared? 5 squared or 25 plus 7 is 32. 7 squared is 49. So the answer is 3,249. Let's check with a calculator. Isn't it faster than a calculator? Tip 5. When the number is just under 50. Let's find 47 squared. Step 1. 47 is 3 less than 50. Subtract 5 squared and 3, which is 22. We put 2 more digits in front of 22. Step 2. Just square 3, which is 09, and put it in front of 22. And that's your answer, 2,209. Let's check with a calculator. Isn't it amazing? Can you work out 43 squared? 5 squared or 25 minus 7 is 18. 7 squared is 49, so the answer is 1,849. Let's check with a calculator. Isn't it faster than a calculator? Before we end our week 2 tips and fun, let's practice one BODMAS rule. 5 minus 2, brackets open, 5 minus 2, brackets closed, is 9. Suppose we do 5 minus 2 is 3, multiplied by 5 minus 2 is 3. The answer is 9, which is incorrect. First, we do brackets. 5 minus 2. Brackets open, 5 minus 2, brackets closed, equals 5 minus 2, brackets open, 3, brackets closed. Next, we do multiplication. 5 minus 2 times 3, or 5 minus 6. Finally, we do subtraction. 5 minus 6, or negative 1. So the answer is -1, not 9. That's all from 11 Plus Maths Genius for this week. Next week, we will present some different tips and fun. So please subscribe and don't miss any lectures, mocks, tips or fun. Until then, be vigilant when you are outside, stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more. See you guys next week. See ya.
Secure a place in grammar school and chill out. We have a 52-week program, 52 lectures, 52 mock tests, and 52 tips and fun. Don't miss anything. Please subscribe and join 11 Plus Maths Genius today.